Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Today is finally a beach day for me. I have just finished packing up my wagon and I just have my purse with like all of my essentials in it, and then my beach bag, which has this like mat thing that I got from TJ Maxx. I have a blanket, I have a towel, I have my like cover-ups, I have this bag full of sunscreen, plus a portable charger and cable, my journal, a book, tripod, Polaroid camera, anything and everything I want. And then I have a water here. It's so overcast and like gloomy vibes over here that I'm just so excited to be at the beach. And I'm going to stop and get gas, and when I get gas I'm going to pick myself up some snacks, an energy drink or something before I get on the road. And I'm so excited. This is exactly what I need. I had the longest week. Work was just really draining, like really draining. I worked like a lot of overtime this week. Anyway, today is all about self-care, self-love, and I'm going to pour into whatever I want to do today. I slept in a little bit and I've taken the morning really slow and just been not rushing me, not stressing about when I'm gonna get there, any of the, I'm just like, it's a good day. It's Saturday and I'm gonna spend it at the beach. And I'm gonna take you with me. So, let's go. So one of the things I've been wanting to do since I got new tires, my oil changed, everything with my car, like okay, I was like, okay, now I don't feel as bad or as scared to go on a longer drive, a day trip, and put like that much on my car. So I'm really excited to go. I filled up, I got some snacks. I'm going to put the directions in and get going. Okay. See you in the next clip. Okay, so I just pulled up and I got so lucky. I have like pier side parking, which is always packed, but I decided to drive down just to check and someone was leaving right as I was pulling in. So I love when that happens for me. And I'm going to pay to park and then go pee in one of these little shops right here and then go to the beach. Look. That like you can just wake up and decide to go to the beach. Why are you crying? It's 111. Okay, you see, you get it. Here's the ocean. call it a day. I am feeling a little bit red, and I want to see if there are any cute like thrift stores or little shops by, and then I'm gonna stop and get something to eat, yeah, and then head home. So it's been a really relaxing, wonderful day, and I can't wait to come back. God, Jesus, Jesus, God. Alright, so I'm back. I stopped at the little gift shop right there and I got myself this little keychain. And now I'm going to drive around until I find something I want to eat. I think I might stay for longer if I'm like with people, but I didn't want to like risk falling asleep on the beach and either really getting sunburned or just like, you know, anything bad happening. So I also like could barely see the camera as I was filming, so I hope the clips that I got are good and usable. We'll see. But yeah, I've just been kind of listening to whatever I want and doing that. I got up whenever I wanted this morning. I got on the road, got myself a snack. I just laid there. I read a little bit of my book. I journaled a little bit. And yeah, mostly just tanned in the sun. And I was like, I'll leave whenever I want. I'm not gonna feel like, okay, but you better be there for X amount of hours at least. You know, like, there's just no rules. It's whatever I want. It's whatever I want to do. And I'm already so much calmer. And I'm not even sad because I'm literally coming back in a week. Summer me is loading. Summer me is so hot, sexy. Okay. The way I'm driving, like I know where I'm going, and I don't. I'm just driving in the general direction towards home. I'm cramping so bad though. I'm cramping so bad. I've been cramping all day, and I'm gonna start for sure soon. I know I am. I tried to look for thrift stores and it was showing me shit 100+ miles away. I was like, that is not near me. But I honestly think most thrift stores aren't going to be open very much longer anyway, so I'm not doing that. Hopefully you've had a good Saturday or a good day, weekend, but I don't know what it is for you that you're watching this, but I love this month so much. May is always, I was about to say, May is always so good to me. No, it is not. But this year it just feels special. It feels like a good time. It feels like there's a lot to celebrate, you know, and a lot of fun to be had, and I'm just really looking forward to that. Anyway, see you in the next clip.
I used to be a hoe, but now I ain't no more. Been swimming through the water, now I'm back to shore. I like it, muy dura de matar, pero ahora soy mansa.
Look at this sad weather I'm coming back to. It's literally raining and cold. This is why I went to the beach. Oh my God, you guys. I could tell, let me set this up. On the ride home, I could tell that my back, like my entire backside was red and like hurting. I didn't think it was this bad. It's all the way down to my leg, like to the back of my legs, but I'm just gonna show you my back. Oh my God, Mom, don't watch this, okay? I was by myself, I can't reach my back, and I forgot to reapply and was definitely laying on my stomach for majority of the day. Do you see this? I'm a lobster. It hurts. It's like warm to the touch. Anyway, I'm going to leave the beach day off here. I'm not sure if I'm going to add this to another vlog or let it be its own, so I don't know. But it was a wonderful day. The sun just really kissed my ass, like really, really smooched me good. Damn. I need aloe.